In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate joined walls in Revit using unjoin geometry and disallow join. When walls touch in Revit, they often clean up automatically, which is great for most layouts, but can get in the way when you need precise control over edges, finishes, or phasing. Today, I'll show you how to break that connection cleanly and how to keep it from snapping back together when you move things around. Start by selecting the wall you want to separate. Click directly on the wall element in your model so it highlights. If the area is crowded, zoom in a bit, hover until the wall highlights, and tap Tab to cycle through nearby elements until the correct wall is pre-selected. Make sure only that wall is selected so you're targeting the right piece of geometry. With your wall selected, head to the Modify tab. In the Geometry panel, choose Unjoin Geometry. Think of this as telling Revit to stop cleaning up that intersection. Once the tool is active, your cursor prompts you to identify which neighboring element you want to disconnect from. Click the other wall that it's currently joined to. You're simply confirming which relationship to break. When you do, the automatic cleanup at that junction is removed and each wall maintains its own end conditions. You should see the seam or edge return, and the walls will no longer behave as a single merged corner at that location. If your selected wall is joined to multiple walls, repeat this pick for each connection you want to separate. To keep your result consistent as you continue modeling, consider a quick optional cleanup: disallow join. Right-click directly on the wall end grip at the junction you just separated and choose disallow join. This tells Revit not to auto-join that end again when you move, stretch, or align the wall. It's especially helpful in tight layouts or when small moves cause walls to reattach unexpectedly. You'll know it's set when the end behaves independently and the cleanup doesn't reappear during edits. A couple of quick notes as you work. Unjoin geometry affects the relationship between the two elements you picked at this location. It doesn't delete or trim anything. Your walls remain intact. Disallow join is per wall end and can be used only where you need persistent control. Use it when you want to preserve crisp, separate edges while adjusting lengths or positions. And that's it. Select the wall, run unjoin geometry, pick the neighboring wall to break the connection, and optionally apply disallow join to hold that separation as you continue modeling.